Hi, this is Alex with TrainMyVA.com. In a previous tutorial, you have learned how to find forums that appear on government and educational websites. Well, I've registered for one of those forums, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to create backlinks pointing back to your web page using bbCode. So, what we need is to find the signature settings. Now, while different forums may appear differently, a lot of the time their navigation is very much the same. So what we need to do is find our user control panel, and from there we'd like to find our profile. So here's the profile tab. Once we click on it, our edit signature option is right over here. What you'll find on certain forums is that this feature or this option to edit your signature may be either disabled entirely or will only be available to you after you submit a minimum amount of posts. That, of course, is to prevent spammers. And like most of the content that you submit, the best way to ensure that it stays there is if you're adding, whether it is through a blog comment or through a forum post, to whatever it was that the forum or blog comment, the blog was all about. So to add a URL, we need to use bbCode. We cannot use HTML as HTML is disabled on forums. However, bbCode, it's like a very simplified version of HTML. Here's our current post right now. It just says cheers and no signature. I will show you what it will look like if we add a bunch of keywords. And let's click submit, and over here we'll click refresh. Here is our original post, but now with our signature, and all our signature says is keywords. It cannot be clicked, it can only be highlighted. So let's turn it into a link. Let's go back to our user control and our profile and edit signature. What we'll do is we'll create the tags to specify a link, and all it is, it's within square brackets, type in URL equals and then the URL of choice. So we'll use Google for our example, followed by a closed bracket. Then our keywords will go over here, and then close this tag by having again square bracket, backslash, and then URL, and then close the square bracket. So click submit. Over here we will click refresh again, and all of a sudden our keywords now became linkable. If I click on them, I will be taken to Google. So what you can do further is to edit them and spice them up a little bit. So let's go back again to our signature, and what we'll do is we will create our signature that's a little bit more appealing. You could use color, and that of course is usually available to you also from the navigation. So for example, I could highlight this keyword and I could select the blue color. Now I will type in check this out, and I will again submit. So now you can see the changes after refresh one more time. Keywords is a different color, and it has the non-anchor text, check this out. So thank you very much for watching. This has been Alex with TrainMyVA.com.